Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade where I try to catch some trades as in live market. Opened up a few seconds ago, have my first order to short here, CETX at $4.15. My chart is not working though. Yeah, the chart are definitely not updating for this one. So Apple's working. Let's try to go back to CETX. There we go. So that was odd. But again, first order to short at $4.15. In fact, I may drop that down here a little bit now. And I am going to do that at $3.95. Again, this is a sub $5 stock. So, I'm not going to make a whole lot on 1,000 shares, but at least it'll get me involved in the game. So that is where my orders currently are residing. I will keep you updated. I'm going to be looking around though, so no promises that I actually capture the fills on video. All right, why didn't I get those at 415? I got the shares at, I must have accidentally canceled that 415 order. Anyways, I got the shares at $3.95. I want more than that though. So let's see if I can get those up to those ones at 415. I would like to build a good size position here. Again, 1,000 shares. There we go. Got that. So we'll see if I can get some more. Let's go to 425. And then 435. Actually going to cancel those at 4. Okay, so now what I have is a stop at 401. So it is a winning trade regardless now. And let's see how far this wants to pull back. If it doesn't, that's right. Like I said, I'm in a stressless position now. It's not a question of if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? So I'm out there for 135. Still have my orders here at 425 and 435. So if it wants to make another run up there, I will repeat the process all over again. All right, looking like I have a chance to get filled here at 435. Still about 10 cents to go, but making another move. And did not quite get it. So what I'm going to try here is now 415 as my order. So we'll see if I can get, again, just same principles last time. Just want to get involved in the game. Nothing big given sub $5 stock, 1,000 shares, but allows me to get involved. So let's see if it wants to give me some up there. Actually, I should change that up to 420. Tad bit greedy at the 415 mark. So let's see if I can get involved here. Up at 420. Excellent. So I now have my starter position there, 1,000 shares. If it wants to give me a quick $100 bill, I'm certainly not going to turn that down. But the goal here is to definitely get some more shares, but decided to give me the $100 bill. So yeah, not going to complain about that, but still have that order up at 435. So let's see if it can get up there or not. Looking like it very well could potentially roll over here. So I'm thinking about hopping back in here. In fact, I am going to go there at 425 now, see if it wants to get up there again. And yeah, we'll just keep working this thing and seeing how it unfolds. But let's see, 6 minutes into the day, up 235, so not going to complain about that. I will keep you updated. All right, looking like a potential fill here at 425 is coming. Well, I got up there. Couldn't quite fill me though. It did hit 425 once again, but I didn't get any shares. Let's see if it wants to make another run up there. In fact, I think not only is it going to get up there, it's going to break through it. So let's change this first entry point to 435 now, seeing how things are trading. And I could very well be wrong. Went up there again, rejected at 425. Still not sure if I would have been filled, but I was certainly wrong in thinking that it looking like it was going to reject it. So, all right, we'll see what happens. All right, looking to build a position here in WB. First order at 79.35. This one can move very quick. So first order at 79.35. I'll try my best to capture the entry point, but like I said, moves quick, so no promises. Well, there we go. Getting up towards 79 again. Ideally, it breaks 79 and shoots up there very quickly. All right, and back it goes. All right, I'm going to pause it. All right, going for the break of... This one is just toying with me from the video perspective. All right, I'm pausing it. And I'm not going to bring this up until it's up above 79. All right, making a move here. 79.45. Okay. Come on. They gave me 90 shares. There we go. So got my initial entry there at 79.45. Decided to just give me a quick... Oops. Okay, I need a less talking, Clay, more trading. So there we go. Next order is at 79.87. So let's see if it can get back up there again. Missed that, but oh well. We'll see if it wants to give me another opportunity or so. Shoot. 79.87 though. I will pause it. So still watching this here. My daughter's in here right now. I don't know if the mic's picking that up or not. And there's a pullback. Yes, Dot. You're going to the doctor? Yeah. Okay. All right, well, now it's pulling back, so... Seeing the high 79.70, if I'm being realistic with myself. I was thinking 65 or 75. So I don't know, hindsight trader, of course, I'm going to say that I would have done the order that got me filled, but yeah, so maybe that doesn't sting as bad as I thought it did, but hey, maybe we're going to get back in play here a little bit. So let's see if it can move back up there. Actually, going to do 79.99 at this point in time. So I will pause it, and I'll keep you posted if it looks like I'm going to get filled or not. But so far, so good. 15 minutes into the day, up 310. So I'm pleased with that, but let's see if we can add more to it. All right, looking for an order here at 20.55 on BZUN. Just 500 shares. Still have my order out there on WB2. So got a couple fishing orders out there. We'll see if it can break up through there or not. I will keep you updated. All right, looking like this one wants to go down and at least retest 20 again. So initial order there at 2015, or excuse me, 2021 I got filled at. So I guess that was better than what I thought it was going to be. So I'll do 2010 for that quick $120 bill. Or if it wants to allow me to build, I will gladly do that, which is looking like it's going to let me build. Let's get some up there at 2085. 2075 if I can get some up in those areas. I want to build, so let's try 2065. Okay, got those. Got those, excellent. So I got 4,000 shares now, still nothing extravagant. I mean, we're not talking about a massive stock or anything like that by any stretch. So it's pulling back here a little bit. We'll see if I can get some of these orders that I've thrown out there filled at all. 2055 and 52 being the original couple. So let's see if this wants to roll over here for me. Liking the candle that's starting to take shape here. So 2060 seems to be kind of that thorn in the side of the chart right now. There's the break of that. So let's see if we can get it to move down. Well, 2060 definitely being that stubborn level without question. But let's give it some more time to work. There we go. Got all those ones out. Trying to get some 45s out. So I have 1,600 shares left. All right, so let's do this. Let me buy that. And then with the remaining 601, we'll follow those down with a stop. So there we go. Now it's not a question of if I make money, but as previous times, how much money am I going to make? So move my stop down to 56. If it can get below 50, I'll update my stop loss at that point in time. So I want to see 49 on the ask, and then I'll bring down my stop loss. Okay, there's... So like I said, now not if I make money, but how much money am I going to make? So let's just keep bringing this down. There we go. And we'll just keep on. So all out there. Was final 601, 2037. So 458 on the trade. Let's see, 952. So what is that? 22 minutes into the day, up 768. Let's find some more. Wow, we're at 12 minutes. All right, I guess it'll just be a little longer video. Let's try to find one more trade. All right, I'm going to wrap things up. Excuse me, 1020 here. Haven't even been paying attention to the markets. Got distracted and just haven't been looking at anything. But CCCR looking nice. Got that alert. Decent in the chat room, but haven't been around and didn't really feel too guilty about it because I captured all three trades and we had some good trading action here. So didn't quite catch every single entry point, but for the most part, I think good solid overall trades were captured for video's sake. So with that being said, final few things before I go. First, if you enjoyed the video and would like me to keep making these, easiest way to communicate that to me is click that like button. If you have not checked out the remainder of the channel, please do so, and hopefully you ultimately decide to subscribe. That's another easy way to just let me know, hey Clay, we like the channel, keep on making these videos, is by liking and then subscribing. If you're interested in trading alongside me and others, I've mentioned the chat room. You can go to claytrader.com, check out the Inner Circle, $99 per year, not per month like so many other chat rooms out there. $99 for 12 months worth of access. And then if you're interested in learning more about trading with charts and all that good stuff, again, you can go to claytrader.com. I offer many training courses on that. So thank you again to all you as viewers, and I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point.